Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete search history on iPhone Safari. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Safari. Click on it to open it and then scroll down to the bottom of the page to find Advanced Options. Tap on it. On the Advanced Options page, select Website Data. Then click on Remove All Website Data and Remove Now. Next, go back to the main Safari option to find Clear History and Website Data. A window will pop up where you can select the time frame from which you want to delete the history. It may be last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. Once you've selected, click on Clear History. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the search history on iPhone Safari. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!